guys, Playful Learning here. Today we're learning about construction vehicles. These are some strong, mighty machines. It's an excavator. It's an excavator. An excavator uses its scoop to dig. What a strong, mighty machine! It's a crane. It's a crane. The crane is big and strong. The arm can extend. The hook goes up and down too. The cab can turn around. The crane is a mighty machine. It's a crane. It's a dump truck. It's a dump truck. The dump truck can carry a big load in its bed. It can raise and lower to dump it out. The dump truck is a strong, mighty machine. It's a wheeled loader. It's a wheeled loader. The wheel loader has a bucket. It can go up and down. This wheel loader is articulated. What a strong, mighty machine! It's a backhoe. It's a backhoe. A backhoe has a bucket at the front. It also has a scoop at the back. What a strong, mighty machine! It's a bulldozer! It's a bulldozer! A bulldozer uses its blade. What a strong, mighty machine! It's a skid steer. It's a skid steer. The skid steer is great for smaller areas. It's nice and strong, and the bucket can go up and down. Wow, what a fun, mighty machine! There are so many mighty machines we find at the job site. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to Playful Learning for more fun videos.